Hey, you didn't neigh. To the horsies. You horsies gonna do anything, or are you gonna sit there and neigh? Oh, you okay, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay.
Try it again.
Hey, let me hear your big neigh. Oh, good neighing.
Want to see mine? This time I'm gonna add more obstacles, Emma. You're gonna have to jump over more.
Don't make her hurt herself. Oh, what an agile horse.
Want to see me, Mom?
Yep.
See, Mom, I'm good at it. Mom, I've been doing this for a couple of years and I'm good at it, right, Mom?
You're very good at it, sweetheart. Emma, I want to see you dance. You gonna dance? You're a horsey?
Yeah.
I'm a horsey.
We are.